Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this part, I'll show you how to participate in the Kraken Referral program and invite your friends using the Kraken Pro app. This is a simple way to share Kraken with friends and earn referral rewards along the way. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Kraken Pro app on your phone. Once you're logged in, look out for the referral banner on the screen. If you see it, just tap Invite Friends. If you don't see the banner, no worries. Go to your account page instead and tap Invite Friends next to Referrals. Now, on the next screen, tap Invite Friends one more time. This will generate your unique referral link. You'll also see an option to copy the link so you can save it and share it later if you want. Once your link is ready, all that's left to do is share it. You can send the link directly to your friends, or if you tapped Invite Friends, share it using your preferred app, like messaging, email, or social media. And that's it. Once your friends sign up using your link and meet the referral requirements, you'll be officially participating in the Kraken Referral program. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Kraken tips and crypto guides, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next.